I'm now going to take you to our portion of the show called Inspiration from the Bigs, where we talk to established musicians about what it was like for them to play music when they were kids. The other week, I had the privilege of meeting probably the coolest guy I've ever met in my entire life. It's Mikkel, the lead singer of Airborne Toxic Event. We had an incredible conversation backstage at their 94.7 session concert, and we talked a lot about how when you're in a band, you can feel really rushed to make things happen, rushed to get success, rushed to write incredible songs, and we talked a lot about taking time to work on the craft. Here's some advice from Mikkel.
I feel like if I could offer some piece of worldly advice,
Please do.
the one thing I would say is that everybody wants to test the waters and find out if they're Mozart. Everybody's wondering, am I Mozart? And then they write a song and they want to play it for someone, so someone will be like, you're Mozart, oh my God, and they're trying to discover, do I have talent? And it's really the wrong question, because, I mean, once in every generation there's a Mozart, but for the most part, writing music, playing music, you're bad at it, and then you're pretty good at it, and then you're moderately good at it, and then you're quite good at it, and then you're very good at it, and it takes time. And it's more akin to becoming like a major league pitcher. You know, just work on different things, and it doesn't mean like work like studiously. I mean like actually in your own mind, trying to answer questions and trying to become better and spending tons and tons of time at it. I mean, I spent tons and tons of time at it. And you know, the question isn't like, are you talented? The question is, are you willing to do what you got to do? And like what that really looks like is you're willing to sort of have your friends think you're an idiot, and willing to, be broke, and that's the surface stuff. The really hard part is, are you really willing to work at it? Are you really willing to take your weaknesses and turn them into strengths?
Again, that was Inspiration from the Bigs with Mikkel from Airborne Toxic Event. Check out more interviews with them, other artists, and other bands at YoungGunsNorthwest.com. And if you do go to YoungGunsNorthwest.com, you'll notice that there is a band submission page. It's super easy to use. You just give us some info, upload your track, send it to me, and I will review it immediately. Seriously, this is what the show is all about. It is all about user-generated content so we can get music out there that's being made by kids. So please send me your stuff, because who knows who's listening.